Hi guys, my name is Kevin from Simova, for those of you who don't know me, and today I'm going to show you how to create templates really efficiently within release notes for DevOps so that you really can speed up the work on creating all of your changelogs or release notes up until the point of releasing them. So what we have here is our release notes for DevOps tool, where we go right into the settings, which are on the top right corner. And here we immediately see all the points. Under those, the point release notes. And on top, we have our templates. So simply we now go into these templates. And now we immediately see that we have all the different work item types of our need here. So we, for example, use mostly product backlog items and bugs. But if you, for your own company, for example, use features to show what exactly has been done, then you can use whatever you want to create a template for it. And you will see in the end that this template is exactly what you need it. So let's go on with selecting product backlog item for our purpose. Putting in, just copy pasting a value within this template, and from now on, every time we write a new product backlog item, we finished everything that we've done and we insert a template, then these values will be put here and we can adjust them how we want and put in our desired process. So now I'll dive straight into our backlog, and within our backlog I'll create a new product backlog item. And I'll just call this sample product 1, new feature number 10. I'll add my colleague as someone that's assigned to this. I don't have to add a description, I'll just save it. And we'll just simulate that now everything has been done. We've developed something, we've changed something in our tool. And now we go to release note to write something about our change. And we'll simply just go here to the 3 points and click insert template, which will simply just put in the template which I previously wrote. So this makes this whole process automatically quicker. First thing, I don't have to go to some sort of Excel sheet to put in all my changes or wherever I did that before. I now do that at the place where I'm at, and I now made this whole process of the release note creation a lot quicker. And every coworker in our company really knows how to write it, so it always looks professional, and also the tool looks really well integrated, so everything that we write or do looks like it's just from DevOps, and really are perfecting our way of writing changelogs. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that you were able to get some value out of this for your own release note creation. Simply go down to the comments if you have any questions, leave a like, and also feel free to check out our other videos regarding the release note creation.